Hello guys, welcome back again. Into this tutorial I would like to show to you how to make your image have a pixel stretch. So the way to make it, or the way to adding the effect onto your image, is just by using a Canva mobile. So open your Canva on your phone, and then make a new project, and after that insert the image that you want to adding the effect. So for example, I'm going to use this image from Canva, this one. Then click the Magic Studio button, and then click the BG remover to remove the background from the image, just like that. Now you need to decrease the size of the shape, like this, and like this, and after that you need to increase the size of the image all the way up, like this. After that, insert a shape onto the page. So for example, I'm going to use this shape, then insert it here, decrease the size of it like this, and now change the color. You need to change the color using this photo colors palette, this one, and then adding all of the color onto the page. Okay, for the first color, this one, and then duplicate the shape, put it here, change it again onto this color, and then duplicate the shape and change it again. Do that until you adding all of the color palette from your image onto the page, like this. And for the last part, and now you need to positioning all of the color palette as same as the color from your object. Okay, because the first color is black, so I'm going to put the black color on top of here. And the second color is this brown color, and I'm going to put it there. And this one is following there, and this one is here. Oh, I think I'm going to change it because here on this side it's a little bit dark, like this. And for the last part, I think I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to duplicate the black color because there's a black color on the shoe. And after finish, now click layers, and then select all of the element like this, except the object that you are adding, like this, and then increase the size like this and adjust the shape just like that. And you can copy this image, make a new page here, and then move the image onto this page. Then go back to your first page. You can delete this image and then positioning this one. Now increase the size like this and like this. After that, you just need to download this design. Click download, increase the pixel, okay, and then check the transparent background. Now downloading it. After finish downloading, go to the second page, this one, and insert the design that you are saved before by clicking the gallery and put it on this side, this one. Positioning it, adjust the size of the frame like this, and increase it. Okay, one more time. Make sure it's covering all of the image like this. And now the next step, you need to put this design behind of the image, and you need to cut this design like this, and then duplicate it and do this like this, put it here and send it to the back. Okay, just like that. If there's any white line, you just need to adjust the position of the design like this and like this. Okay, after done, this is the result that you will get. If you want to do it more, You can just to click the design like this and then go to the apps and adding the Pixelify effect. And then wait for a moment. And then you need to decrease the pixel scale on to 7 like this. Then replace all of the design. Go back and there you go. And that's the way how to make this kind of effect on your Canva. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you.